you can arrange your stickers in Classkick, which I find useful. To do so, go to your stickers, and you just need to move them, slide them however you want, wherever you want them to go. And they will do that. So I've actually, with all the stickers that I've made, arranged them in a certain order, and I've labeled them with other stickers. But today I want to talk about how to make a GIF with your stickers. And before you cringe and say I'm pronouncing it incorrectly, I would like you to know that Steve Wilhite, the creator of them, has said that they are pronounced GIFs. However, the Oxford Dictionary says that they can be pronounced GIF or GIF. So take that away. Now, I think we have more things to argue about, like how literally became figuratively. However, we're here for stickers, so let's continue with that. So, I have already saved a GIF that I'd like to work with. So we're going to go to a site called onlinegiftools.com, and I've come to the Remove GIF Background. You click here, and then you pull up whatever one that you've saved. Open that up, and it will remove it for you, and then you can save it and download. It does take but a short time for them to take care of that. Now, we are going to go back to Classkick, and we are going to add this as a sticker. So to do that, you go back to Add a New Sticker, change the image, import custom image, and go to your downloads. Open it up, save it, and then put it on. Now, I want to show you a couple things. First of all, that's a little bit bigger than I like. On some of the pages, if there's quite a bit of work, I would like a smaller one. So I'm going to show you how to make it smaller. And at the same time, there is this line that's under it. You cannot change that. That is so that you can write something under it, which just goes to the edit, type in great, spell it correctly, fingers in the right spot, great job. There we go. Save it, and now there he is with great job. So let's go back and see how we can get him to be a little bit smaller. Go back to this site, and you can go down to where they have a whole bunch of options which are fun to go into. But you need to go to resize the animation. So let's go to resize, and I am going to go to the one that I already took the background out from. And I'm going to go ahead and resize it 100 by 100. And then download that one. Go back to Classkick and go back to the top, add a new sticker, change image, import, take care of that one. Save it, and now you can see that we've made it smaller. So you can do the size however you want, and you can, I really like adding the words because that little white line there can get slightly annoying, but it's great because you can not only keep them in whatever order that you want, but you can also create some little animations. So enjoy.